Hey YouTubers, JT Outdoors and More. And no, not going bald, just got a haircut. Anyways, today's topic of discussion: how to use a sharpening stone. Now, not very many people know how to use a sharpening stone. With all the tools that are out today, using a sharpening stone, it's almost a lost art. Now, I use a little bit of gun oil here. You can use other different types of oil. It's just the first thing I grabbed. Put a little bit on your stone here. Take your knife. Spread your oil around a little bit. Okay, now you're going to want this at a pretty steep angle here. All right, and just run it down the length of your blade, like so. Now you want to count your strokes as well. I usually do 20 on each side. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, and then I flip it around, do the same thing. See, it has a pretty steep angle. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, this sharpening stone, it's not the greatest. I got it at Dollar Tree. Yeah, there's definitely way better sharpening stones out there. But, hey, this here, it was a target of opportunity. Now, how you check your sharpness: run your finger across it. If it doesn't feel very sharp, continue sharpening. Now, you got to watch your angles, though, because you can roll your edge. Now, after every pass, you want to check it. Check your sharpness. If you really want to, Nah, you can't shave with it yet, so it's not quite sharp enough. Periodically, you want to add a little bit more oil. Now, you can sharpen pretty much any blade like this. Doesn't matter if it's a knife, pocket knife, field knife, even an axe. Now, you can even sharpen up an e-tool like that. And for those who are sure what that stands for is entrenching tool or folding shovel. All right, that's much better already. Not yet. Needs a little bit more work. I'd say one more pass, that'd be enough. Now, it takes a little bit of practice to get this right. Now, I've been doing this most of my life, so granted, yeah, I'm gonna make this look easy, but it takes a little bit of practice, get the angles right. See, now consistency is key. You want to get the same angles every time. Now, you look down the blade like so. If you see any shiny spots, like shinier than usual, it means you've rolled the edge. It means you got to work it a little bit more. And it looks like I did a perfect job on this with the angles. You can almost shave with it. One more pass and that'd be perfect. If you hear that background noise, that would be my wife. She's out in the living room. She's on her computer. Now, after every pass, you want to check it. Now, I use this knife quite a bit, so it got pretty dull there. Basically, what you're doing is you're just removing tiny little bits of material here. Tiny, tiny shavings of metal to produce a sharp edge. Now I'm going to work on this just a little bit longer, but you get the gist of it. So, just get out there, get a cheap stone. There are better stones out there, but for practice, just get a cheap stone. And you really don't want to spend a lot of money anyways. So, yeah, especially more now than ever. So, remember, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I can also be found on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. So, hey, till the next video, JT Outdoors and more. Talk to y'all later.